In this video, I'll show you how to install PS2 emulator NetherSX2 on your Android smartphone. With that being said, let's begin. The first step is to download this app from the link given in the description of the video. Once you download this APK file, open this up, click on install anyway. Now click on open, next. Based upon your device, you need to select this option or second option and then select expand to cutout area. Now click on next. Now you need to import your BIOS file. Now once you import it, click on next. Now you need to add your directories. Now once you imported your directories, click on next. Click on finish. Now you have successfully installed PS2 emulator on your smartphone. Now you can see I have loaded the game. Just tap on this. So this is how you can install PS2 emulator on your Android smartphone. So that's it about the video guys. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.